Workr simplifies CNC machine tending and enables robotic automation for high-mix, low-volume production. Workr makes robot task training and switching seamless, intuitive, and fast. Let's train Workr with a new machine tending task. Using the tablet, select Create New Program in the Workr app. Place a piece of the stock you want the robot to handle into the robot learning area and press Learn. Workr will analyze the stock using its sensors and then position above it. The operator sets and verifies the grip position with a few simple taps in the app. The grip can be set for external or internal gripping based on the material and gripper selected. Having this flexibility allows for a large range of components to be successfully handled and for the operator to be in control of the technique. Now let's repeat the learning step with the machine part the robot will remove from the CNC work holding. The Workr brain understands the layout and components in its world and continuously scans for changes to avoid collisions and ensure the ultimate reliability with the task at hand. As before, the operator sets and verifies the grip position on the machine part. Workr requests the operator's input on where best to grip to ensure no damage will occur when gripping the part. Confirm the in and out feed areas for where the stock material will be picked from and where the machined parts will be placed. The operator confirms, and that's it. Workr training complete. The Workr brain now understands the new machine tending task you want it to perform. Workr integrates directly with major CNC machine tools and knows which program is selected and the global offsets. Putting this new task into production is effortless with Workr. Review the production setup, safety, and clear the environment before running the process. Simply load the raw stock material. No jigs or tooling is needed as Workr dynamically finds the stock in the in-feed area. Now we are ready to start production with a single tap. Place the tablet back in its holder and let Workr handle the rest. Monitor task performance and receive real-time insights right in the app or through the Workr production dashboard. Setting up a new machine tending task can be done in less than 5 minutes with a few simple interactions. Anyone in your existing team can unlock the adaptive capabilities of any machine tending task, no matter how small of a production run or complex of a part being produced. Workr increases productive uptime, enables shift flexibility to get the most out of your automation assets without increasing costs. A flexible and adaptable machine tending solution that learns every day to suit your business's changing needs. Transforming robots into coworkers people want to work with. Workr. Machine tending simplified.